Hey everyone, this is Nick with City Rockhounding, and we just found a cool one here in this eroded ground off the river. Looks super pretty. Here, I'm gonna have to stand up a little bit, get some sunlight. Oolitic chert. That looks like a really pretty face in there though. I like what's going on. Gotta get some close-ups of that. Cool color. This one's wet, but definitely looks like it's gonna be a sparkly one. All throughout there probably. How cool. I love these. We'll get this cleaned up, take a better look here. Thanks everyone. I really appreciate all of you. Have an awesome day. Bye guys.